Miss Kinley has the hiccups and she's making my laptop bounce as I try to make this photo book for Benson's second to third year. Turkey, can you see that laptop bouncing? I don't know how to hold the phone so the video looks best. It's so funny to me. 2 weeks from today and we'll be seeing these hiccups in person.